everyone, this is Kathy Lean with BK Crypto Crusher with your top 10 crypto charts of the week. Starting off with Bitcoin, you can see Biddy itself has rejected the 100 simple moving average. What looks like a pop higher rally, potential break of this consolidation, turned out to be a failed breakout, with the coin dropping back down towards 40,000. Now, of course, 40,000 itself, slightly above that, is very significant support level. So we're kind of at an inflection point for Bitcoin. If we drop below 40,000, we could sink all the way down to 38,000. But that's really the level to watch, because right here, really, it's certainly going to depend on risk appetite, and we're ending the week in kind of a sour mood with regards to risk appetite. But in general, I think, the levels to watch are going to be 40,000. If we sink below it, we'll see a deeper decline. On the top side, if we get back above this high, we should see a stronger move higher. Ethereum breaking below all of the major moving averages, so certainly looking more bearish than Bitcoin, for example. We've got support below 2,600, but just right below it, these spike lows around 2,580, I would say. But it doesn't look like very strong support, because you've got consistently lower highs and lower lows. Looks like it wants to trend and move further downwards towards 2,400. Binance also looking bearish, below, kind of almost below all of the major moving averages. I'm not sure what's up with this feed, but 350 is support in the downside, and it needs to move above 425 to turn positive. Right now, all of the coins are showing bearish as well. Taking a look at Solana. Solana here, we've got basically the coin dropping below the 20 SMA, and we've got support down at 84. So it does look like the downtrend is dominant, and we could see a further move lower in Solana. Polkadot, well, let's go to Luna. Luna, on the other hand, is much stronger, very different performance. It's rallying. It's been, extending its gains. So on a relative basis, this definitely looks better than the other coins. But I think, if we get a further correction, that could be hit as well. Polkadot, also moving lower, just, bearish general trends in the crypto market. And if you're going to be a bargain hunter, I would say like around 16 is probably the level to watch. Cardano, it's the support we've got at Cardano is right around 83 cents. Although, maybe, you might get some bargain hunters, now coming in, because we're not too far from that level. Ripple, finding support right at the 50-day SMA. 70 cents is support below there. Lower highs, lower lows, channel, downtrend intact. But I think, the 70 cents level is where you're going to see buyers come in. Doge, trending lower, support down at 12 cents for Doge. And we've got a bunch of slight spike lows, or, just kind of lows here. So that's the level to watch. But I think Doge will start to maybe attract some bargain hunters. And then last but certainly not least, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, just kind of in a grind. He's not really doing much. Following the general market as a whole. Bearish, but we're not seeing that much movement. So if you're trading on a pair basis, what I would say is that, shorting Biddy, going long Shiba is an interesting, opportunity. Of course, Biddy is very volatile. Maybe you want to do something else like Ripple or Doge versus Shiba, but that's another way to look at it. In general, the crypto market is in a sell-off mode, because equities are in a sell-off mode and risk aversion is dominant in the market. If and when that changes, we may see the crypto market change as well. And crypto can be very, very sensitive to everything. So I would very much keep an eye on it, because, the outlook could turn around as well. And, especially for Bitcoin, we do have some support below current levels. This is Kathy Lee with Crypto Crusher, and I wish you all a profitable week.